what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring these in. Now, before I put them on, let me put just a little bit of dust on them. This is the Cosmo dust. And I want to put just a little bit of color on them. Make sure there's no color in my brush. Just a little bit of pink in the center. So from the base up, I just want to give it a little bit of a pink color. Just a little bit. See? Down the vein and in the center here. I want these petals to have a little bit of color to them. No, it didn't quite go where I wanted it to, but that's okay. Just down the center, just at the base. Some of it's going to be covered up and some of it won't. You can see I can put it on here. Oh yeah, there we go. And we're going to kind of go around. I've got 7 petals. Let's get a couple more dusted. Where's the base? Just at the very bottom, just in case it shows. And they come into the center. And like I said, this is a very uneven, messy kind of a flower. So it's okay if it's uneven going around. Where's one more big one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoops, I got 2 more big ones, so we're going to put those a little closer together. A little bit of color. There, one more. Okay, a little bit of water underneath. There we go, and press it down. Okay, at this point, we're ready to add the other petals. Oops. A little water underneath that. Get stick. Okay, let's get some water for the next round. On top of that, a little bit of color. The base. This is when an airbrush would come in real handy, if you've got one. And you just place them on. Now this, I only have 5 of these petals. Again, you can just do 4, 3, whatever you want. They're very, like I said, they're not evenly dispersed. They're odd numbers of petals or bracts. Just do whatever is pleasing to you. Oops, I broke my petal. That's okay. It's in the center because it'll get covered up. Let's go ahead and do the next round. Be careful, chocolate clay is fragile, so be careful with it. Okay, these are our last few. Just press a little with your paintbrush. Like I said, the center is going to be covered up. I actually want that in there. There we go.